For this dance tutorial, I'm going to break down my dance routine to Poppin Bottles by Chico and Jaden Bojsen. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we begin with kicking our left foot out and pointing both hands front. So it goes one step on that foot and we pop it, two, and. So it goes point, bring the fist in, pop, pop. Adding the feet with it, it goes one and two, and we slide forward on that 3, 4. So that foot is dragging in as we slide our hands down. We go 3, 4, we step second, and 5, 6, we do a head roll on the 5, 6, we plie down 7, and 7, snap 8. So we did that head roll 5, 6, we melt and flick 7, back center, snap 8. And when we snap, we step on that right foot, snap, and the left arm is over the head. Let's try that one more time. We go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, head roll 5, 6, melt, flick, snap on that 8. Moving on, we're scuffing, scuff, hop, scuff the other way, scuff, hop. Well, it's actually more of a brush back. So it's a scuff and then a brush back. And there's hops in between. So we go scuff, hop, brush back, turn to the other side. So from that and 7, snap 8. We go scuff, hop, or scuff, hop, brush back. Then we step back on that foot and we slide back. And our arms are going out second and we're pointing down. So it goes hop, hop, slide back. We step back on that right foot, step to prepare. We're preparing because this foot is going to come back. And we do a big around the world turn here, 5, 6. So from here, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6. Let's try that from the top. From the point, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Scuff, hop, hop, slide, and prep around and. From here, we're going, our hands are out, flexed, front, and our feet are doing the same thing. We're jumping second in a plie, we come back parallel, and then we jump together. So we just did and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Moving on, we're stepping out on that right foot. We go point, point. This hand goes body roll down to pop that booty around to do a swivel over. So we just did 7 and 8. We go point, point, body roll, hit, around, and. So to break that down a little bit further, we're in a plie, and we're leading with our knees, and we go around, around. So we're going up on those toes, back to flat, right? So from the points, we go point, point, body roll, hit, around. From here, we're dragging back, and our arms are up and drop down, and we're back front. So we just did around here, we slide back, arms are up, kind of like a field goal. And then here, drop them down, and then step back front. Moving on, we're stepping second, and our arms go up. We drop down into that plie, and then we slide out, and that left shoulder is doing a little hit rebound, hit rebound. So we just did around and hit, hit, front, open, second, drop, hit. Moving on, we're going booty, booty, kick, jump, jump. So we're going actually kick, step, step, and then our arms are going throw here. So we just did second and hit. We go hit, hit, scuff, step, step. I'm gonna add on a little more to finish out the first part of this chorus. We back it up from here. We jump on that left foot, right arm comes around, snapping to step back, and we're gonna turn around, the left arm comes up, and then we prep here. This is like another football step. I feel like. So we're prepping here because we're gonna step forward for the last part of the chorus. So let's try that all from the top before we add on. Good job, guys. So we go. Kick, step, pop, and drag. Head roll. Melt, flick, snap. Scuff, hop, back slide, and prep around, and hit, hit, hit. Point, point. Body roll, hit. Around, hit, hit. Together. Arms up, drop, hit. We booty, booty, throw, step, step. Last new part. We back it up, we snap around, we turn around, prep. Good job, guys. So moving on, we're here. We're doing step, we're swimming through, and we're doing step, back, front together. So we'll go around, hit, 7 and 8 and. Moving on, our arms are coming here, or are they here? Open, yes. So I like to call this just the skate step. So our arms are going here, we're skating out, we pick that leg up, our arms are out, and switch, out. One more time, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, step. From here, we're doing another scuff hop, and we're brushing back, and this arm's coming flying forward. Up and fly back, yes? And we're doing a pas de bourrée out of that, pas de bourrée, which is just a step, step, step. So from that new part, we're swimming forward, and 8 and, skate step, out, in, and scuff, brush, back and backside front. I think it's backside front together, yes. One more time from that new part. Good job, guys. We go here, 7 and 8 and skate, out, brush, flip, backside, front and. Moving on, we're jumping out to slide back. And our arms are with that foot. So we step, we snap out. We go snap, and from here we turn around ourselves while our arm is going here. So we go around, around, together. Let's try that one more time from the skate step. How about? So we go 1 and 2 and scuff, back, and new part. Snap it out, turn it out. That's a good way to put it. Snap it out and turn it out. From here, snapping it out, turn it out. We're doing jump and another swim through, but this time our feet, our hands actually are flexed, our feet are together. So we just came from that turnaround. We go pop and open. So it's our arms are flexed, flex, open, and our feet are just a ball change together. Add them both together. We go hit, hit, hit. We hold 7 and we do out, in, out. Probably my favorite step of the routine. So we go 7 and we're snaking through as our feet go out, in, out. So we go 7 and 8 and. I'm gonna move on, we're almost there. We go step, flick, snap, step, 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 throw up, step, step. Throw those arms up to be clear. So we go hit, 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 hold 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. Throw those arms up, step, focus is here. From here, we're sliding forward, touch, deep plie, and our hands are here. So we just did step, snap, throw those arms up here to slide forward, touch, drop. We go booty, booty. From here, we're going body roll down, arms in, this foot comes in, the right foot is straight, the left foot is in, and our foot is beveled in, then we come out, then we step, flick up, we drop back, we snake around, hands come up, we drop here, and then we go here, here. It says, you'll be poppin', and then you just kind of melt out of that as you like. And that's all the choreography. But before we go back from the top, let's go over the latest chorus. All right, good job, guys. So from here, we go 7 and 8 and skate, and skate, and scuff, drag back, backside, front, and here, and around. Newest part, I'll slow it down a bit. Ball, change, open, hold 7, out, in, out, step, snap, step, kick, throw those arms up, step, prep, slide, step, drop, booty, booty, body roll in, out, back, get up, around, snake around, drop, hit, hit, and melt out of that. Good job, you guys. All right, let's try it from the top, from the kick. We go 7, 8, kick, step, pop, drag it out and around, and 7, snap, 8, scuff, hop, brush, back, slide, step, prep, around, and hit, 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 point, point, body roll, hit, around, hit, hit, together, open, drop, punch, booty, scuff, step, step, back it up, snap around, over the top here, 7 and 8, and skate it out, scuff, brush, back, step, 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 together, snap it out, turn it out, ball change here, hold 7, out, in, out, step, throw it up, set, and drop, booty, booty, body roll in, out, around, step, around, hit, 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 melt it out however you'd like. All right, you guys, good job. That's all the choreography, and now you're ready to try it with the music. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification if you'd like to be notified whenever I post any of my videos. Thank you again,